Okay, so here is the Lennox Value and Lennox Elite Series air conditioners running at the same time. I've seen these units run. Once this season, I got the second startup of this unit on Thursday. And I got the first startup of this unit on Friday. And they haven't ran since then. And then, so I just thought I'd get a video of both of them running at the same time. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, here's the Value series. Doesn't have a logo. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. The fan is super off balanced. Look at this. Well, kind of cold air here. Hack job. I have no idea what kind of fan motor that is. Yeah. It's working incredible. Section line is ice cold and sweaty. It's a 4-ton, 11 SEER. I think the 39th week of 2000. Not sure. Yeah, there's a compressor in there. And here's the Elite. They're like making an interesting sound. Sounds incredible. It also has a Copeland scroll compressor. There's the fan motor. I just got the video uploaded of the second start of this one, and this one should be up soon. Well, actually, in a couple minutes. If you go check YouTube right now, it should be up. But yeah, I have a few other videos to upload before I upload this one, but. Um, 2.5 ton. 14th week of 2004. Yeah, 2.5 ton. Yeah. My grandparents' unit is right over there, and it was running earlier. But it hasn't ran at least a couple hours. It's kind of unusual. But yeah. Just thought I'd get a video of these two units running. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all the next one.